Seventh day of the series 30 days challenge, and today's question is, can I describe my childhood memory in English? My answer is yes. Well, one day I went to my grandparents' house along with my family, and my grandparents' house is in Uttar Pradesh. I just wanted to having fun and enjoying two summer vacation, so I went there. One day, one of my grandparents' neighbor were having a special prayer time. So we were invited there. I went there, I enjoyed a lot, I danced a lot. Worship was over and the prasad was distributed to each and every person. While returning home, a very funny thing happened. Despite having my own portion of prasad, I started asking to my grandparents' family and my mother family. For example, my nana, nani, mama, mami, sisters, mothers, each and every person, one by one, I started asking to them. That time I was very little child. It might have been 5 or 6 year old. I did not have any idea what I was doing at that time. So I returned home. I narrated everything to my mother. Both my family or my grandparents' family burst into laughter at my silly but innocent mistake.